There's a whole other set of services that you would categorize as concierge services. These can be things like food delivery, shopping for any items, light help moving, because heavy help moving, you just need to hire a moving company, or somebody to come to your house and assemble furniture, help you move things around, mounting pictures on the wall, light cleaning, all kinds of things like this. And so I want to show you this site called TaskRabbit. It's not active everywhere in the world, but it's active in large parts of the world. And where it's not active, similar sites are active. I'll show you in a second how to find them. But basically, you see what kind of projects there are, like mount a TV, move boxes into a truck, lift furniture. These are things that you don't have to be skilled, and you can get hired and apply to these on day one and kind of just get these light jobs on day one. These are not long-term jobs, but I've had events where we needed some extra staff and we just hired people, to man the welcome booth. So there's all kinds of things you can do as a concierge and make a little money. It doesn't make a lot, but it makes a little money if you need money right now. And so that's TaskRabbit. It's perhaps the number one most popular such site for concierge services. Today, personal shopping is extremely popular, especially at the height of this whole COVID-19 thing. Personal food delivery shoppers were making something like $400 a day, I heard, as high as that. So for that service, there are mobile apps like Instacart where you can sign up and just shop for people and get paid. This is available in most places of the world. Wherever it's not available, different but similar apps and sites are. So how do you find what's available for you? Well, you really just go and search. So for example, personal shopper and concierge service, I would just kind of look for that, and I would find all kinds of apps that I can potentially use to gain clients for whom to do these light jobs. Obviously, I haven't tried all these apps, but if you're interested in this, try all these apps out. Some of these will be not very good. Some of these will be very good. It depends on what services you want to provide and how popular that service is in your area. You can also do this on Google. You can do all kinds of searches like hire concierge and personal assistant in New York. The reason you want to do that, this is a search that a consumer might search. And in your case, you might do that because you want to see what kind of sites come up. You will see, because it's job related, a lot of job sites will come up. You don't really care for these unless you want those jobs, like, receptionist, concierge. Okay, if you want that, apply. But if you don't want that, what you're looking for is, Yelp. So a light should go off in your head and be like, I can sign up for Yelp and maybe people will find my concierge services. If we click on it, we just want to see how competitive it is in your area. So here it's not very competitive, right? People have 5 reviews, 2 reviews. It's not like they have hundreds of reviews. So you can definitely just get a couple of reviews, sign up, get a few reviews, and you're off, and you'll be one of the top concierge services on Yelp for your area, and you'll get a few jobs here and there. And you want to just browse the search results for sites that are like TaskRabbit competitors that are popular in your area. So these are the kinds of services you can begin trying to get hired for if you need the money now. On day one, you don't need a website, you don't need specialized skills, and in most places of the world, there's some demand for this. So this is good for making at least some money in the very near term. You might not want to stay a personal concierge forever, but this can get you by staying independent if you don't want to get a full-time job.